Insurance adjusters love to claim that a low-speed car wreck puts no more force on your neck than a heavy sneeze or sitting down on a couch. This entire argument is based on flawed junk science studies that were heavily relied on by insurance defense teams. Peer-reviewed medical research has repeatedly proven that comparing a car crash to daily activities is scientifically invalid. A sneeze doesn't throw your spine into a violent, unnatural shape or tear delicate facet joint ligaments in a fraction of a second. When an insurer compares a rear-end collision to everyday life, they are using bad science to protect their bottom line.